If I gave you $10 million today, there's a high chance you would become broke again within a few years. Not because you're stupid. Because most people were never taught the rules wealthy people quietly follow behind the scenes. And the craziest part? Some of the people who look rich today are financially struggling, while some real millionaires look completely normal. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the money lessons successful business people learn, early lessons that quietly separate the wealthy from everyone else. And one of these lessons completely changed how I think about money forever. If you grew up without money conversations at home, this channel is for you. A lot of people in countries like the USA, Canada, and the UK grow up believing 1. Hard to save money, 3. Buy a house, but wealthy people often follow completely different rules. 4. Retire someday, not illegal rules. Not fake, get rich quick tricks. Just different ways of thinking. And once you see those patterns, you can never unsee them. Part 1. Rich people buy time first. Most people think rich people love expensive things. But business owners usually value something more important. 1. Time. 2. Freedom. 3. Control. Poor thinking says, I need more money. Wealthy thinking says, I need systems that make money without all my time. That's why many successful people focus on 1. Businesses, 2. Investments, 3. Assets, 4. Teams, 5. Automation. Because time is limited. A normal job trades hours for money. A business tries to separate income from hours. That is one of the biggest mindset differences in the world. Part 2. Income alone does not create wealth. A lot of people earn high salaries and still stay broke. Why? Because income is not wealth. Wealth is what you keep, what you invest, what grows while you sleep. Many high earners increase lifestyle first. 1. Bigger apartment, 2. New car, 3. Expensive clothes, 4. Restaurant lifestyle, 5. Subscription overload. Meanwhile, wealthy people often invest first. Business owners usually ask, will this make money later? Will this grow? Will this reduce future stress? Will this create leverage? That small difference changes everything over time. Part 3. Financial stress is usually invisible. 1 thing successful people understand very early: looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Some people 1. Wear expensive brands, 2. Lease luxury cars, 3. Travel constantly but secretly. They have debt, no savings, no investments, no emergency fund. Real wealth is usually quiet. Many millionaires live simpler than social media influencers. Because real business people care more about ownership, cash flow, equity, long-term growth, not just appearances. Part 4. The biggest secret is delayed gratification. This is one of the hardest lessons for modern society. Most people want rewards immediately. Buy now, upgrade now, impress people now, but many successful people delay rewards. They spend years 1. Building skills, 2. Saving capital, 3. Learning business, 4. Investing consistently, while others are chasing short-term dopamine. And this is why discipline becomes a financial superpower. Not motivation. Discipline. Part 5. The internet changed everything. This is the first time in history where normal people can build global income from a laptop. Today people build businesses through 1. YouTube, 2. Online stores, 3. Freelancing, 4. Digital products, 5. Investing knowledge, 6. Personal brands. And many young entrepreneurs in developed countries understand this very early. That's why attention is now valuable. Skills are valuable. Trust is valuable, not just degrees. Part 6. The most important lesson: the biggest financial mistake is waiting too long to learn. Because money compounds. Skills compound. Investments compound. Confidence compounds. Even small actions repeated for years become massive later. That's why wealthy people start learning early, even before they have money. Because understanding money is more powerful than just earning money. Square root. This channel is not about fake luxury. It's about understanding how money actually works in the real world. Over the next videos, we'll talk about Investing business systems, budgeting, financial mistakes, wealth psychology, real strategies used by successful people. If you want financial freedom instead of financial stress, subscribe and stay for the journey. Because learning money late is expensive. And most people realize that too late.